Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact OpenSky Credit Card customer service. So firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there is address bar. You need to type on OpenSky and enter it. And over here scroll a bit down and you need to select this OpenSky. And once you're inside this homepage of OpenSky, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here until you find the support icon, and from the support go to this contact. And once you're inside this contact here, you need to scroll a bit down again. And over here, if you find any relatable frequently asked question here, what you can do is you can simply open a question by clicking. And from here, what you can do is simply follow the on-screen instruction here. And if you still need more help, what you can do is for the customer support, this is the number here. You can call to their number here. And before contacting customer support, make sure you have your account information ready for verification and never share your password or security codes. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.